Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can download and install applications on your Windows. So in your mobile phone, this is just very easy. You can just simply go to the Google Play Store, which is already an application of your mobile phone. Now here in the Windows, there are also that kind of Play Store, but it is in the name Microsoft Store. So on how we can download and install apps, then we need to first open and bring up the Microsoft Store. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Store. Now you'll find Microsoft Store under the best match. Click on that. And here in the Microsoft Store window, you will find the best selling games. You have here the Roblox, which is for free. You have here the Raid Shadow Legends, the Candy Crush Saga, the Candy Crush Soda Saga. So if you want to install any of the best selling games, just simply click on that. And you'll find this get button. And once you click on that get button, that will install the application into your Windows. So let's just wait for this in a while. And now this is installing the application. And it is just for free. So that's the good thing about having the Microsoft Store, which is also a default app of your Windows. Now, once this is done, then you will have the Candy Crush Soda Saga into your Windows. Now, let's go back to the Home tab. And here you also find the best-selling apps. You have here the PDF Reader, you have the Nitrado, you also have the Trio Office, Docson, the Excel Editor, you also have the Movie Maker Editor, and you also have the top free apps. We have the WhatsApp, Windows Scan, iCloud, Microsoft Teams, Zoom Workplace, Minecraft, Education, Chat, GPT, and the Spotify. Now, if you want to download any of this, then you just have to basically click on that and click on the get button. Now, if you want to search for your favorite application, let's say for example, we are going to download the Snapchat into our Windows. So simply search for that in the search bar and you'll find the best results. Simply click on the get button and that will prepare the application to be installed in your Windows in just an easy way and also for free. So that's it. That's how you can install applications into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.